Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali. Stock number is 18G752A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Front parking sensors are going to keep you very safe. You do have the chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. 20-inch chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look at the bed now. You have the all-weather floor mats back here, and then you also have a Denali spray-in bed liner. When you pair that with the soft cover, that's going to keep your bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touch screen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Down here you have 3 USB ports and a regular plug so you can charge any of your devices. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Denali on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.